More than 600,000 veterans call our state home. That's top 10 in the country. Demand for veteran health care is clear. WRL's Flynn Snyder learned how an expanded facility in our area could help meet the need, and why some leaders say still needs to happen.
From 13 examination rooms to 26, an expanded dental clinic at the Fayetteville VA Medical Center promises lower wait times for veterans seeking care. It's an outcome Veterans Affairs Secretary Doug Collins says he wants to see at all VA facilities.
The same is happening out in your public and private healthcare system as well. Some of those wait times are 2 weeks, 3 weeks as well. We're just saying we're going to be better than the community in everything we can, but it's also something we have to fix and work on.
Collins toured the clinic and met with veterans in the Fayetteville area while touting reforms that he says will improve care for those relying on the VA.
We're expanding those avenues so that they can get to the care quicker. And then also just the process of making sure those referrals and stuff are easier from our end, but also still maintaining quality.
Collins' visit comes as some Democrats speak out against funding cuts to federal programs like SNAP, which state health officials say more than 46,000 veterans rely on. Democratic State Senator Val Applewhite represents parts of Cumberland County and is a disabled veteran.
So we know that many veterans rely on SNAP, right? We should feel a certain way that our veterans rely on federal assistance to eat. Well, we have that will impact our veterans.
The Department of Veterans Affairs recently announced it's on pace to reduce staffing levels by 30,000 employees by the end of the fiscal year, a move Collins says will not affect veteran care.
For those who may have came to this area and said, oh, we're cutting and slashing, we're actually taking in more, we're actually putting the money where it needs to be. But we're also making sure that we're organized in such a way that we're spending the money in a proper and efficient way.
Flynn Snyder, WRL News, Fayetteville.
Collins also said there are no plans to close the Durham and Fayetteville VAs after a report recommended closing those two buildings in 2022.